I'm in Malindi. I'm so excited, you guys. So we got here today morning. Yeah, we traveled overnight. We used Tahmid, a VIP bus, which was very comfortable, and the journey was very smooth. We thank God. We got here at around 6. We chilled a bit at the bus stop, and then we had breakfast at a local place. It was called, what was the name?
Simba Dishes.
Yes, and then we came here to where we'll be spending for the next 5 days. No, yeah, I think 5 days. 4 nights, 5 days. So this will be our home. So let me take you guys around. It's going to be fun. I'm so excited, you guys. Can you see this place? How it looks? It's home away from home. But you guys, let me not ramble a lot. Just come. Come and see. Hi guys, so that's it for the apartment tour. Is it even apartment ama it's a bungalow ama it's a mansion? It means sijui the difference, but that's it for the tour. I love it already. Please leave a comment below, ask me any question you need to know about this place, because already I am loving it. And yes, so guess how much you paid for this place? You guys, can you even guess how much you paid for this place? They charged us $26 a night per person, but since we are 2 people, they are charging us $46. How amazing, how economical. And imagine it's only 8 minutes from the bus stop and 10 to 15 minutes from the airport, and the beach is 10 minutes away, a walking distance. Can you imagine how convenient is this place? So we love, and one of the reasons why I'm in Malindi, it's because I'm here to celebrate my birthday on 20th. Yes, mimi ni shujaa, Mashujaa's day. So hey guys, please leave a comment below wishing me a happy birthday. Don't ask me how old I am, because I'm forever 16. All right. I'm forever 16. And so you guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please subscribe. Make sure you click on the bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Please leave a comment. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please help me grow, you guys. Help me grow. Tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. So, and yes, let's grow together. Let's have fun together. And yes, let's explore Malindi together. So today is 18th October 2019. So I'll make sure this video goes online today. So stay tuned. Leave a comment. Please share the video. I love you guys so much. And yes, see you in the next one. So after here, we're going to the supermarket and do a bit of shopping. Yes, a bit of shopping. We need some food stuff for this place. We have a chef that is very, very amazing, you guys. He is amazing. You don't imagine. Can you imagine how much he charged us to cook for us for those 4 nights that we'll be here? Please don't tell anyone, but it's less than 1,000 bob for those 4 days. Can you imagine how economical is this? So I know I've said this so many times, but thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you, and I love you so much. See you next. Peace. Love you guys. Bye.